Okay, guys, welcome. This is for Mr. Lynn's digital literacy class. Everyone open up Microsoft Word Lesson 1. We've got the student starter file right here, the instructions, the go to jail JPEG. We're actually not going to use this. Um, we'll use something else when the time comes. But I'm going to open up the student starter file. So click this drop down right here, and it appears down here. So I'm going to open that. So we're going to modify this document right here. Okay, this you're going to want to enable editing. It's the first thing always, right? If you're not showing the different features up here, you'll want to click on the Home tab and click on this pin right here. That way you can see all these different features where we can manipulate this data. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're actually going to skip step number 1. It says insert 3-column header. We're going to skip that. Let's go to step number 2. Okay, it says center align. It's in the Home tab, and you're going to want to actually click enter twice and go up with your cursor, and we're going to click on the center button right here, and we're going to type the game Monopoly right here. Okay. Let's change that font size to 20. So highlight it, go to size 20. Let's go to orientation now. So we're going to go to layout. Click on orientation. Right now it's in landscape. You're going to want it in portrait. Gotta let that load for a second. Hopefully my computer doesn't freeze up on me right now. We're just gonna have to wait for it to load. It should only take a few seconds. If not, there we go. Okay, so I went to layout, went to orientation. I changed it from landscape to portrait. Then I'm gonna change the margins. Right now it's at a custom. We're gonna want it to be normal. Okay, that way we can see all of it. Let's see here. Line spacing. So this is step number 5. So we're going to highlight this. We're going to go into our Home tab. We're going to change the line spacing to 2. Okay, step number 6 is find and replace. Find and replace is in the Home tab. Over here it says find, so we're going to click on that. We're going to find the word Darrow. It's here in 5 different areas. Actually, let's go over here. We're going to go to replace. Sorry. Type in Darrow. We're going to replace it with Darrow, D-A-R-R-O-W, and then click replace all. All done. We made 3 replacements. Click OK, and then close that. So we did that. Then we're going to want to find, let's see here, the word over. So type in over. We see it, these 2 different locations. We want this one right here. We're going to cursor right here. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to close out on the navigation. Hit enter, and then we're going to do bullets. Okay, I'm going to put 1 bullet here, and then at the end of a sentence, I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to create a bullet for me. Okay, so we're going to do that. This makes the information a little more digestible so you can read it. It's not so difficult to read. Now it's a lot easier to read. That's why you'd want to have bullets in there. Okay, then we're going to do a border. So let's go to the design. We're going to go to page borders, and we're going to click on a box. You can choose any style you want. If you want to do a color, that'd be fine. The width, you can play around with the width if you want. I'm just going to leave it as the way it is. I'm going to click OK. So now we have our border. And then we're going to insert a picture. Let's go to insert now. I'm going to go to pictures, online pictures. I'm going to type in the word Monopoly. And you can click on any image you want. Doesn't really matter. Click on this rainbow thing right here. Do it in front of text. Actually, no. Let's do it through. Let's make this smaller. You can play around this rainbow. There's really no right or wrong text wrapping. So we've got our game. We have our image. And then we're going to do a watermark. So to do watermark, this is step number 9. Oh, no, sorry, step number 10. So I'm going to go to design. And over here, it says watermark. Click on that. We're going to go to custom watermark. Click on picture watermark. We're going to select a picture. We're going to go to Bing. Then I'm going to type in Monopoly again. Hit enter. You can click on any of these images you want. I'm going to do this one. Click insert. And then we're going to uncheck the washout. And then click apply. And close. So we have this cool little background Monopoly game going on there. Okay. And then you're going to, that's actually the last step. You're going to go File, Save As, Browse, and then you're going to want to save it to your, I'm going to go to Documents, DL. You're going to save this to your business app folder, okay? And then you'll File, Upload it in Canvas, and that is lesson number 1.